is written by Sinclair Lewis. Is written by Sinclair Lewis. Sinclair. You can keep the book for your benefit on the desk if you have brought it. Sinclair Lewis. Sinclair. We don't have the doctor here.
Yes, sir.
You give me. Thank you. Full stop or put comma. The famous American writer, novelist and a playwright. Novelist and a playwright. Novelist and a playwright. Full stop. He was the first American writer. He was the first American writer to receive Nobel Prize for Literature. To receive Nobel Prize for Literature in 1930. Change the paragraph. The story देख लो खाली वो ठीक है तो एंगल okay. The story, comma, the hack driver under quotation mark is about a young lawyer. Is about a young lawyer. About a young lawyer who is made to serve summons. Who is made to serve summons instead of practicing law. Instead of practicing law. Full stop. He works as a junior assistant. He works as a junior assistant clerk in a law firm, FIRM, in a law firm. Full stop. He never liked this job of his. He never liked this job of his as he was sometimes beaten up. He was sometimes beaten up by the person he used to serve. full stop. Once, comma, he was directed by the law firm. Once he was directed by the law firm to serve summons to one Mr. Oliver Lutkins. Oliver, the name of the character. Oliver Lutkins. Huh? Someone. Someone to Mr. Oliver Lutkins. First of Mr. Lutkins lived in a village. Mr. Lutkins lived in a village called New Mullion. And the place was situated and the place was situated 40 miles in the countryside. 40 miles in the countryside. Full stop. The young lawyer goes to the village. The young lawyer goes to the village with some expectations of village life, but was hugely disappointed. Full stop. He was quite excited. To get away from the crowded life of city. He lived in. Full stop. But the streets in the village were muddy, muddy, and the shops look very dull. Full stop. The only interesting thing for him was the delivery man. Full stop. Was the delivery man. DELIVERY. delivery man, full stop. He meets a hack driver who, according to the lawyer, is a very helpful person. Is a very helpful person. Full stop. The hack driver took the lawyer. The hack driver took the lawyer on a round to the village, in search of Mr. Lutkins, but could not find him. Full stop. The delivery man told him, that Lutkins was a hard fellow. To be caught. Full stop. The young lawyer finally returned back to his working place. But after some time, he was again directed by his firm. To serve Lutkins. Full stop. This time he was given the company of a person who in the past worked with Mr. Lutkins. Full stop. Finally, they got that. The hack driver, underline hack driver, who confused Mr. Lawyer, on his previous visit, was actually Mr. Oliver Lutkins. Was actually Mr. Oliver Lutkins. So this is what the story is. Okay, that is why the name of the story is called The Hack Driver. It is an amusing and interesting story. The story, as the summary goes on, is about a young lawyer. Now the lawyer is a person who practices in the court of law. But because our impression about the lawyer that we used to see here is that they are going to the court and then they are actually either defending the accused or helping out the government or the system in order to bring the truth about the accused, whether the accused is guilty or non-guilty. Okay. Means this is all done, this entire process of examination, cross-examination, argumentation, there is entire system in which the judge, the other investigating authorities, that police organization, and in addition to all these, the person who is representing the accused in the court or the government in the court, who is supposed to be the expert of the law, is called a lawyer. Means, to put it simple, the lawyer's main job is to practice in the court of law. But as you would have been seen in many movies or in a corporate offices, they are also employing a lot of lawyers. Missing. Some LLB was there, one film also came. Johnny LLB, correct, thank you. In that one, that is what and more or less this lawyer has to work. In that one, the hero was Akshay Kumar, if you have seen. And he was actually working under a very famous lawyer, very senior lawyer. But what was his work actually? And that is why he was frustrated. Okay, the work of his was to serve the lawyer, to cook biryanis and etc. and making the party arrangement. Instead of, apart from practicing in the court of law, he was literally told to do everything. If you have seen that film, in the office of that lawyer, there happened to be many other lawyers also assigned with different duties. Some very next senior or some others have been given the opportunity to study the law, study the file and appear in the court, which Mr. Akshay Kumar also wanted to do that. He was never been given the chance. He was thinking of that one and finally he got one chance of representing somebody in the court. So that exactly happened with this one. And he was hating this. And as in the film also, he was hating, because if I am a lawyer, if I am a teacher, instead of teaching, yes sir, hello, हाँ बोलिए, हम संदीप सर बोल रहे हैं सर, संदीप सर, आपसे बात हो गई, ठीक, ओके. So instead of practicing in the court of law, he literally was very frustrated. This person in this firm is company, it is sometimes being used as a corporate. I have given you this much introduction in order to let you understand, because our impression about a lawyer is that somebody is going into the court and practicing. But he also wanted, and that is actually the same business. He also wanted to do the same, but he was not allowed. And what was his job in the firm? His job in the firm was to serve summons. Summon is a sort of order, the court's order. होता ना, तारीख होता है, उनको बुलाना है, आपको appear होना है. And that normally is being done by the subordinate staffs of the fumes, etc. A lawyer is been doing that when he literally hates that. I am a lawyer, I had studied law, I have joined this firm, with the intention and ambition and a dream of becoming a famous lawyer tomorrow, but instead of sending me in the court of the law before the judges in order to show my talent and potential, you have been giving me that court order or a summon to deliver to the persons who has to appear in the court. कि मेरे को जाना है उसके घर में, वो चिट्ठी बताना है कि भाई तुमको कल तारीख है, तुम लेकर के आना. He was actually been feeling bad to that. पहला reason. Second reason why he was hating this work. He was hating this work simply because whenever he used to go to the village कि जाइए उस आदमी को आज तारीख है, उनको बुला करके कोर्ट में लाइए. अब वो कोई दबंग टाइप का आदमी है, ले करके गए, पकड़ करके हम ही को पीट दिया वहीं विलेज में. ठीक है. सो मेनी अ टाइम्स ही वाज बीन मिसहैंडल्ड बाय द पर्सन he used to serve the summon. He was severely beaten up by those persons. So that was the second reason he did not like that job, as though a lawyer but not working in the court of law, rather working here and there. This story is when he was doing that. Once he was given a summon to deliver to Mr. Oliver Litkins of a village. Even after the fact that you don't work, you like some work, but if you are forced to do some work, you are also been trying to look out for some of the reason to keep yourself interested. If you are interested in doing something, you would be literally very much happy कि मान लो तुमको खेलना पसंद है कि सर हम स्कूल आ रहे हैं, हमको खेलने का दिया जाए, तो ठीक है, पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा ही, लेकिन हम खेलने जाएंगे तो आई वुड बी परफॉर्मिंग मोर बेटर इंस्टीड ऑफ आई एम सिटिंग इन द क्लासरूम एंड परफॉर्मिंग इन माई स्टडीज. बिकॉज आई एम अ स्टूडेंट, I have to perform as a student also, but my prime interest in sports, so I would be better in doing the sports. Okay, first thing. लेकिन अब क्या हो रहा है भाई कि सर the moment you came to the school, I cannot send you to the playground. उसका एक टाइम है that I will be giving you the chance to do that. But then first of all you have to study. अब तुमने भी पहला your first thing is that you never wanted to study. You came here to play, but then because you have to study, you are looking for some of the softness within that study also. कि चलो कुछ तो ऐसा चीज हो जो कि हमको स्टडी में भी इंटरेस्ट मिल जाए. तो फिर तुमने अपने आप को समझाना शुरू किया. यू स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू योरसेल्फ कि यार थोड़ा पढ़ लेते. वाई? कि थोड़ा एग्जाम भी है 2 महीने के बाद, ठीक है, स्कूल है, खेल भी लिए, लेकिन थोड़ा पढ़ भी लेते क्योंकि आफ्टर 2 months आई हैव टू अपेयर इन द बोर्ड एग्जाम. दिस मीन्स यू आर एक्चुअली बीइंग consoling and talking and debating and struggling in your opinion in yourself in order to keep yourself interested in study also. कोई excuse मिल जाए कि मेरे को पढ़ाई में भी थोड़ा मन लग जाए, उसके जब खेलने आ जाएंगे वहाँ तो बहुत बढ़िया से कर लेंगे. अब इनको मीन्स अब काम करना है मेरे को. I have to work as a lawyer, but then I have 2 opinion here or I have 2 options. I am not liking this work. So what should I do? I must resign this work and go somewhere else. But then going somewhere else will also not serve my purpose as a lawyer, because if I have to practice in the court of law, I have to join some of the firms. So why not to gain the experience here itself? तो जब इस सम्मन को जो रॉयल ऑर्डर या कोर्ट ऑर्डर कह लो, रॉयल ऑर्डर इज फरमान नॉट सम्मन. So when I have to deliver that to Mr. Oliver Litkins, I have to go some village. मैंने सोचा यार चलो गुड्डा में रहते रहते बोर हो गए, ये ले जा करके ऑर्डर चिट्ठी पहुंचाना है मेरे को किसको? मिस्टर ओलिवर लिटकिंस, सपोज लिविंग इन सुंदर पहाड़ी. ठीक है, क्या यार ये सब काम मेरा है नहीं, लेकिन हमको ले जा करके पहुंचाना. फिर मैंने सोचा चलो गुड्डा में रहते हुए इस सब लाइफ से, बहुत क्राउडेड लाइफ ऑफ द सिटी लाइफ, आई गॉट बोर्ड. सो व्हाई नॉट गेटिंग द चांस टू गो एंड विजिट द कंट्री साइड. विलेज एरिया में जा करके देखते हैं. सुंदर पहाड़ी में सुने हैं सीनरी ब्यूटीज है, बहुत सारा अच्छे साइट्स भी हैं. सो आई वुड बी लिटरली फाइंडिंग माई सेल्फ मोर कनेक्टेड देयर. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन सर्विंग द समन, बट देन आई एम स्टिल गोइंग देयर. अब हम क्या बोल कर रहे हैं वहां पर? आई एम ट्राइंग टू मोटिवेट माई सेल्फ बिकॉज दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्ट ऑफ सर्विंग द समन टू द पर्सन इज ऑलवेज डिमोरलाइजिंग मी टू नॉट टू डू माई ड्यूटी. But then I am looking for some other option so that I will be kept interested. And one of that option I have thought into myself is what? That I should go there in order to avoid the crowded city life. कि बहुत भीड़ भाड़ से थक गए शहर का, चलो गांव में जाकर के थोड़ा सुकून तो होगा. फिर हम वहाँ गए, पता चला जब जंगल झाड़ ये वो पूरा कीचड़ है, बहुत परेशानी है. सो आई फाउंड इवन व्हेन आई वेंट देयर आई फाउंड द कंट्री साइड लाइफ ऑल्सो वॉज मोर डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी व्हाट आई हैड इमेजिन्ड लिविंग इन द टाउन. कि शहर में रहते हुए मैंने जो सुंदर पहाड़ी के बारे में सोचा था, वहां जाने के बाद मेरे को वैसा नहीं लगा. सो चलो फिर काम तो करना ही है, जब आ गए तो काम करना है. तो इनको लगा कि जो डिलीवरी मैन होता है, जो घर जा करके कोई भी पानी ये वो जो भी डिलीवर करता है, दैट पर्सन वुड बी द मोस्ट स्विटेबल पर्सन टू फाइंड मिस्टर ओलिवर लटकिंस. मैंने तो इसको देखा नहीं है, हम इसको पहचानते भी नहीं है, जानते भी नहीं है, तो कैसे इसको ऑर्डर देंगे ले जा करके कि आपको कल तारीख है, आप आइएगा कोर्ट में. तो सोचे चलो उसके साथ चलते, इसी गांव का रहता है, ये तो घर घर जाता है, उसको घर भी पता होगा सब चीज में. फिर इसने एक वो जो बग्गी वाला गाड़ी होता है, दैट इज हैक. ओके, सो वो ड्रिवन कार्ट को हमने एक गाड़ी वाले को पकड़ा और वो मेरे को पूरा शहर को पूरा गांव घुमाया, सब जगह की चलो भाई आई विल बी टेकिंग यू इन ऑर्डर टू सर्च फॉर मिस्टर ओलिवर लिटकिंस. घूम गया, कहीं नहीं मिल रहा है, जहाँ जा रहे हैं यहाँ था, वो था, अभी आया था, उसका बहुत करके इन द स्टोरी ऑल्सो गिवन. उसके घर पहुंचा, उसके बारे में बहुत सारी, तो ये तो था, अभी कहाँ चला गया, शहर चला गया, बहुत बदमाश है, हमको पता है सर, चलिए वो शाम में यहाँ पे बैठता है, यहाँ ले जाते हैं, ऐसा करके उसको हैक ड्राइवर पूरा गाँव इधर उधर घुमाया, नहीं मिला. फाइनली ही गॉट डिसअपॉइंटेड एंड ही रिटर्न बैक टू द शहर जहाँ वो जाता था, अपने फॉर्म में वापस गया. आफ्टर सम डेज ही वाज अगेन इंटरेस्टेड विद द सेम टास्क बिकॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम द टास्क गिवन टू मिस्टर लॉयर वाज नॉट accomplished. So again he was being given the task to go and serve someone to Mr. Oliver Litkins. But then this time what happened? This time he was given the company of another person. कि आपको नहीं पता है सर, इसको साथ में ले जाइए, ये देखा है तो इसके साथ काम भी किया है, सो ये पहचान लेगा ओलिवर लिटकिंस कौन. ठीक है. सो व्हेन ही आल्सो वेंट अलोंग विथ मी आफ्टर द सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम व्हेन आई हैड डिस्कवर्ड इसका वो जो हैक ड्राइवर था, दैट हैक ड्राइवर हिमसेल्फ वाज द ओलिवर लिटकिंस. इट डिस्गाइज्ड हिमसेल्फ. वो दिन भर मेरे को मूर्ख बनाया, इधर ले गया, वहां ले गया, इधर किया, खाया पिया सब चीज, लेकिन बाद में हमको भगा दिया क्योंकि ही हिमसेल्फ वाज हु वाज दैट हैक ड्राइवर वाज ओलिवर लिटकिंस. जब हम इसको लेकर गए तब पता चला, बिकॉज ही ऑलरेडी हैड वर्कड विद ओलिवर लिटकिंस. सो दैट इज व्हाट द स्टोरी इज ऑल अबाउट. ठीक है, एक दो लीव लो क्योंकि हमको क्लास छोड़ना पड़ेगा. अब इससे रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चन है, this is one very short answer type question, but it's very important one. Okay, do you think the lawyer was gullible? Gullible. Gullible means a person who comes easily in the word of others, easily being convinced by others. तुम कुछ बोला, तुम्हारी बात मान लिए तुरंत, वो बोला उसकी बात मान लिए, ये बोला इसकी बात मान ली, as if I don't have my personal logical reasoning. So another word for gullible is credulous also. So अब ये जिस लॉयर की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं वो गुलेबल था, वो डिलीवरी मैन की बात आ गया, उसका बात आ गया, सबके बात में आ रहा था. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज. डू यू थिंक दैट द लॉयर वाज गुलेबल? टेल पार्ट. How could he have avoided being taken for a ride? How could he have avoided being taken for a ride? Answer. Yes, comma. The lawyer was gullible. Full stop. He believed every word of Oliver Litkins, every word of what Oliver Litkins, not of Oliver. He believed every word of what Oliver Litkins said. Full stop. He should have asked about Lutyens from other villagers. परमानंद जी 10 का भी रजिस्टर ले दे दीजिए मैं और पेन रख दीजिए 10 का 9 का भी Instead, he depended completely on the hack driver. And this incident says that he was gullible.
Depended
Completely on the hack driver. Why do you think? Next question. Bill offered BILL, that driver, to help the narrator find Lutyens. And so Bill himself was Lutyens. Bill himself was Lutyens. Full stop. He knew that the lawyer is searching for him. The lawyer is searching for him. Full stop. He wanted to play a prank on him. He wanted to play a prank on him and offered to help him find Lutyens. Full stop. He even met some money in this process. And made him wander here and there. Full stop. He and his mother made fool of the narrator. He and his mother made fool of the narrator and had a great laughter. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एक और करके और आज छोड़ेंगे क्योंकि अभी है इसमें 3-4 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन और tomorrow I will be continuing this one. Next question. But he was no more dishonest than I. But he was no more dishonest than I. Put under quotation mark. Full stop. Elaborate the statement. elaborate the statement with reference to the hack driver. Elaborate the statement with reference to the hack driver. Put hack driver under quotation mark. Answer. The lawyer charged a handsome amount. The lawyer charged a handsome amount from his firm to visit New Mullion, that village, to visit New Mullion. Full stop. He was given some amount. He was given some amount to spend in the process of searching Lutkins. To spend in the process of searching Lutkins.